What's up guys, it's Kong right here, and welcome back to another episode of TA in 10, the episode where I explain technical analysis skills within 10 minutes or less. Alright, let's not waste any more time, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and let's get started right now. Boom! Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of TA in 10. So today's topic is going to be SFPs, or what you like to call them, swing failure patterns. These swing failure patterns are everywhere. They're happening all the time on all time frames, and especially in the bull market where we have a lot of volatility, where we have a lot of opportunities, where we can really take advantage of such patterns. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to identify them perfectly, what the rules are, and anything about that you need to know about swing failure patterns. So I would say let's not waste any more time, and let's take a look at our very first one right here. And this is the dot chart. All right, so how does a swing failure pattern work, and what does it mean? A swing failure pattern, that means simply a pattern, or like something happens where you would normally expect another swing to the upside, but it fails and then starts reversing against you. Okay, now this is mostly while looking at previous highs. So let me hold on, let me take this one away and this one away, because this is a bullish one. So there are bearish and bullish swing failure patterns. We're going to be taking first a look at the bearish swing failure pattern. So we see our chart right here. It's very nice, very beautiful, and then it's going up and up and up and up, then down, just a little retrace, and then you expect, okay, now it's gonna continue super highly, super up, and anything like that. But you take the previous high of this swing, all right, and this is where you put the ray here, all right. So you mark down this level, and then what you need to be seeing is you need to be seeing a wick above and a close below, all right. And especially even better if you get a close below the close. So we got here both things. We got a high, the wick high was above the previous high, and we closed even below the close of that one. And then you can see yourself what happened right here was a beautiful dumperino. So you would be entering immediately on that candle close, and right here you already have a 2% movement downwards, if not more is to come. Now the next chart that I want to be looking at is,
and now a word from our sponsors.
What's up guys, this video is brought to you by Prime XPT. Prime XPT makes the best trades. Prime XPT is the best exchange that you ever have seen. What? You still don't trade on Prime XPT? You have to get onto Prime XPT right now. Prime XPT is the best exchange for everybody who trades on turbo, who trades on investing, and likes to do analysis, or even technical analysis. Look at this beautiful technical analysis. All you have to do is sign up on Prime XPT, and you get to use the technical analysis, the co-vesting, the turbo, and even the trade features. You can trade crypto, you can trade CFDs, you can even trade Forex markets. Let's go! Sign up on Prime XFP, use the code KONG to get 50% deposit bonus. Click on the link u.primexft/Kong to sign up on Prime XFP. Let's go! I trade Prime XFP with Prime XFP. Let's go!
Algo, we saw a similar thing right here. Boom! Look at this beautiful thing, alright? Now, this shows you exactly why you would need the close below, okay? Now, you can see this was our movement to the upside. It was high, and we take the very first one here, all right? Now we had a high, a little wick above, but it didn't close below. Then we had a green candle above, but it didn't close below. On the next candle though, we had the upside was very high and significant above the swing high. Boom. And then we closed below this line right here. You see that our close was exactly right here, and then boom, it just started moving down and down and down. We got another bearish retest, and this is basically what you can mostly expect. So as soon as you enter, and in this case this would have been right here, the second green line would be our entry, you would need a close, and this is the thing, you need a candle close above the swing failure high. All right, if we get a candle close above the swing failure high, then yes, then okay, then boom, go bye bye, you get stopped out, whatever. But as long as you don't have it, you can use it to average out your entry, or you can just leave it as it is, and then the lowest point right here was almost 4% to the downside. Now another one that I wanted to look at, exactly, and now we take and go ahead into the bullish ones. All right, the bullish swing failure patterns as well. So you would say, okay, it's going down, having a little bit of a bounce, and then maybe like an arc pattern going down more, but then it fails and starts going up. All right, so this is the thing that we saw right here. We take the previous swing low, boom, this was the low, and then we go up, and then we go down, and then boom, we have a super high wick to the downside. That means we failed the swing right here, and then it turns also out to be a bull hammer, and then just goes up and up and up and up. As I said, once again, as soon as you see the swing failure pattern, what you would do is you would enter on the candle close. That means it would be right here, and the max profit would have been like 6%. So they're everywhere, and they work really, really good. Now, I believe I wanted to show you one more bullish at the at our beautiful dot chart right here, and it was, we were taking this low right here, and then as you can see, we got right here, we got a beautiful swing failure as it was going down. We wicked below, closed above, we wicked below, closed above, and then this right here would have been our entry. And then as we go from the bullish swing failure, we go right into the bearish swing failure, and then boom, 2.5% profits. Now guys, let me tell you this thing about the swing failures. They're everywhere. You even have like a little script written to identify them and everything like that. I can tell you from my personal experience, they're happening a lot of times. So rather take a look at like 1 hourly, 4 hourly. The daily is also very good. Like the higher the time frame, the better is for you. Now obviously you could be still looking at swing failures on the 15-minute or like anything like that, but then you would have to be way more careful and way quicker to react and know exactly, okay, boom, I get in here, I get out here, I get in here, I get out here. Okay, let me show you right here. Boom, this was the high. This is technically a mini swing failure pattern. So you get in into a short right here, and then boom, you go down. You would have to be taking profits, or especially after this one retraces to here, you would have to be taking the 0.3% profit. So it's very possible. You can be making a lot of things with it. It is very cool and handy dandy. Always, the thing is, wait for the candle close. All right, guys. So thank you very much. And this was the last video for the year 2020. I would say I really appreciate every single one of you guys. You are amazing, and my goal for 2021 is to educate you more and more about simple TA patterns that simply work and make you money. I don't like things to be overcomplicated or anything like that. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining. Comment your trading goals below in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Now I would say conk, peace out. Now that was a beautiful series, wasn't it? Drop a comment and a like below if you liked it, and obviously dislike it if you disliked it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and obviously if you want to be knowing more about TA and see me live charting, understanding some tips and tricks and some super cool insights, then I suggest you to go onto my Twitch stream, which is happening Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays on kongbtc.live. Go from there, click the follow button, click the subscribe button so you never miss a stream again, and make sure that you tune in whenever I start streaming.
Alright guys, thank you very much. Kong out.